Look at what your boy got. Yes, sir. A whole new iPhone 14 Pro. What's up, guys? I'm gonna be unboxing an iPhone 14 Pro. Man, I remember watching Unbox Therapy. He always used to do these things. So let's go ahead and try one out and give you all a little experience of me just unboxing this little beautiful piece. I had a iPhone 10 and then I got my mom's iPhone 11 whenever they upgraded their phone, you know. So I've been stuck back in the age for a minute and it's time to upgrade. Okay, let's take off my name off this thing. I had to go order and pick it up. First I had to order it because no stores had it. And then a store had it the next day, so I had to cancel my shit and then real quick order it for an in-store pickup. Low-key hungry. Here we go. Here's the box. Alright, let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Look at this. Wow. The cameras are big, bro. Nah, son. That's a big-ass camera. Do y'all see this? Alright, let's continue. I gotta get a case for that ASAP. The bag. Bro, this is so different. Man, let me take this out the case so I can show y'all a quick comparison. Check out my little case. I can open the cameras. Bro, the cameras on this one are so small compared to that. I guess that's the perks of having a Pro. So yeah, I usually always get black. When my mom got a 12, she gave me her 11, and then I gave my 10 to my brother to trade in. And since then, I've had the 11. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. That is so nice. Wow. Here's a quick comparison. Yeah, that is crazy. Okay, I'm just talking on my ass. Man, look at the comparison. How is this one thinner though? I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I like how the squarey ones look better. I don't like the circly ones. Circly by, you know how the edges are right here? And there's a rectangle. I like that. Okay, let's start this bad boy up. Let's see. I still like how this is, bro. That's so crazy. Look, check it out. Check out the sides. I did not like this as much. I like how this one is. If I get a case, I might get a clear case, because wow. But it's low-key getting dirty pretty quick. That's the only bad part. I like my wallpaper. I made that myself for my company. Okay, let's start it up. Come on.
What? What the fuck?
Okay, so I'm back. Man, you guys won't believe what happened. So, I don't know if you caught that earlier. I was looking at my phone and then I caught something, and basically towards the top right here, there was a bunch of scratches and a little dent right there. And I was like, bro, I just bought this. I had a messed up, scratched up ass phone right out the box, but no problem. I went back to the Apple store, told them about it, and they handled it pretty quick and nicely. I appreciate that. So we got a new phone here, and yes, I checked it at the store real quick to make sure there was no scratches on this one. Let's go ahead and continue the unboxing. Where was I at? Oh yeah, I was showing y'all the setup. The eSIM might be fucked right now because they couldn't take it out and I didn't have time to stay there, so I came back and we're about to do the eSIM part. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing video. And as you guys can tell, I am here at a gym. I do want to quickly say, yes, this channel is not really an unboxing channel. It's a fitness slash health slash my journey slash bodybuilding slash me trying to help people out get into their fitness journey channel. So if you have any questions about health, fitness, feel free to hit me up. Other than that, if you stuck around this far, make sure to go ahead and check out my channel and subscribe. See you later. Peace. Peace.